How you guys doing today? Welcome back to another video, boys and girls. I'm going to be showing you guys how I lost roughly probably around like $630, 640, 650, six something. I lost six something. It was not 6 7. It was not $670, but it was 600 some change. I lost it on a trade in Asia session. Um, I really am just trying to pass the eval, so I'm just taking any type of trades, honestly. So, I lost 600 and then well, first initially I lost 1,000, then I took another trade in New York session where I won. TP could have been hit, but market closed. So it closed me at around $400 in profit. So that, do the math, 1,000 minus 400, now we're just down $600. I'm basically show you guys the trade. I'm gonna show you guys the execution. I'm gonna show you guys why I took the trade. I'm gonna show you guys my bias going in today, and I'm gonna show you that literally it played out in New York session. So let's get right into it. Honestly, it was more of a human error because I wasn't really looking at the market the way I should have. I was watching it. I was watching it more of like I looked at it, but I didn't. I glimpsed it, but I didn't really look at it and analyze the market. Honestly, I should have been bullish, but I was bearish going into the day. But I mean, it played out because going into New York session, market ended up playing out bearish than bullish. So I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna show you first. I'm gonna show you guys a loss. I'm not gonna lie. Like I know, like you expecting videos of losses. I have not been losing. Like I haven't been losing, especially on this eval. I haven't really been losing like that. This is honestly the first red day that I have on since just the whole week. You know what I'm saying? Like this, honestly, from when I've been posting videos from coming back to now, this is honestly the first red day that I ever had. I had, bad trades, but I ended up taking better trades and I ended up taking like a break even. This one I took in London session, I got stopped out. And then it eventually, I took the same position again because we were just trying to sweep the liquidity. This was a good trade. This was a good trade as well, but I think I traded off tilt this day. I won and then I wanted to take a long after, but then I continued with a short playout. I forgot what trade this was, but I don't even think I lost. Yeah, I didn't lose. It was just a fee, and then I made 333. This one I did lose. This one I did lose, and then I ended up taking a banger trade after and slapping TP after I took some contracts off. So let's get right into the trade. I'm gonna show you guys. Um, yeah, you know what I'm saying. I did put a lot of risk into this one because I really wanted to see price really just come into these, tap into these lows, and I was just very confident in the trade. But whenever I take a trade in Asia or not, yeah, Asia session, I'm probably just gonna de-risk. But if it's an A plus, it must only be an A plus 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 setup. I'm gonna show you guys in the journal as well. Basically what I put in for my, just talking about myself more so just I'm yapping, bro. I gotta stop, bro. Every time I start this video, I'm always yapping. Let's get right into it, bro. Let's get right into it. All right, so boom, we already tapped into a 4 hour gap. We have this internal range up here. Um, excuse me, that price is most likely gonna retrace back into, right? So on a 4 hour time frame, we create a SMT and we tapped into this gap. You know what I'm saying? In Asia session, we tapped into this gap. We created an SMT here. NASDAQ took out the high ES failed to. So then my bias is overall going short because as you see from market trends, if we go to like the 30-minute, let's look at the 15-minute specifically, we're moving in a complete downtrend. Like we're following downtrend, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, whatever. Or lower, or we can consider this whole all as a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. We consolidate a little bit, choppiness. Then we have some highs, and then we end up dropping and displacing lower. My bias into the reason I didn't take a short today and why I was actually looking for both longs or shorts, I wanted to see one of these highs get taken. I wanted to see this internal high get taken before we displace lower, or I wanted to see London lows get taken and then we displace a low higher. Because overall, we're still coming out of a daily fair value gap bullish. We're coming out of multiple order block on the higher time frame, just a bunch of higher time frame PDRAs that's signaling bullish signals. So our overall high time frame, I'm bullish, but if we're still moving short term, bearish, then I'm fine taking those shorts as well. And that's what I came into the day doing. So I had a 3 minute inverse fair value gap here. This was a good trade. But the reason why I didn't play out is because we actually swept Asia lows, but I don't really know how that works. So after I saw that we swept Asia lows, I was like, yeah, we might just continue down. Nah, we immediately just displaced up higher. We created this inverse fair value gap here on the 3 minute. This was the highest time frame inversion. No other time frame had a gap for real. So I just wanted to see all this low resistance liquidity get taken out. I wanted to see it get ran. I wanted to see price just displace lower, take out all this low resistance liquidity. And we had to move. We had to move until, as you see here, we came in and we swept the lows. And immediately as we swept the lows, what did price do? We inverse gaps. We continued displacing higher. And yeah, then I got stopped out. I honestly should have gone break even, but I was just way too cocky. I was way too confident. And this trade was 100% on me. I could have had better risk management. I could have gone break even right here at this internal low, or this swing low. I could have gone break even there, especially since we had a candle close. You know what I'm saying? I had multiple opportunities to close and go short, but I got cocky. I didn't want to. And like right here, boom. You know what I'm saying? We have a candle close right there, break even. And I didn't go break even. And honestly, that was on me. I should have definitely went break even right there. Now looking back at the trade, so to see that, it's like very unfortunate, of course, that I did take a loss. I could have caught a crazy long and just kept it pushing. But overall, I'm also glad I didn't win the trade because I would have definitely got cocky and I probably would have taken a ridiculous trade in New York session. So overall, yes, I did lose this trade. We did take some short over here. We caught some displacement. I really wanted to see. Wow, this was my TP right here where it has ES crossing. That's my TP, and we literally just edged it. I'm gonna assume Nasdaq took it. We didn't. We really didn't. Oh wow. Okay, but yeah. Going into the day, that was really it. And it's crazy that this ended up playing out too. Like initially my TP was all the way down here. I didn't see that happening, especially in Asia session. We saw a bunch of choppiness. So I was like, okay, cool. If that's the case, I'm just looking for prices to take this swing low that created the swing high, and boom, I want to see price displace. And yeah, no, that was not it. But yeah, I want to see price displays because realistically, we're coming into equilibrium. Yes, as you see, we're coming into equilibrium. So once we came into equilibrium, I just want to see price displays lower, take out these lows, and then displays higher, continue moving in the overall trend and change the trajectory of the trend as well. But yeah, that's really it. That's a loss. In the journal, I'm gonna show you like my mood tracker, something that I told myself. Just overall, you know what I'm saying. I feel more confident today. I took a fat loss due to a human error. I just want to say to myself that I need to stay humble. I don't want to take cocky trades next year. I don't want to feel like I'm the shit or the best for understanding or predicting where the market wants to go and the bias that I have. It's all a game of probability, and I have to understand that I took a stupid short this morning / last night in the Asia session. When if I looked at the higher time frame, the market is bullish. We respected multiple high time frame PDRAs and created a high time frame S&P, which we did, and I didn't notice, by the way. Yet I went short due to me looking at the chart for 2 seconds and seeing a reaction from a 4-hour bearish gap. I shouldn't be taking trades in Asia unless they are very A++++. So I will not be doing that in the start of the new year, and I will stick to New York session for any of my trades and anything that I have in mind. I will stay confident, stay consistent, stay focused, and be patient and build a discipline like a funded professional would. I could do all things with Christ who strengthens me, so let's lock in. If we lose today, we lose. If we win today, we win. Let's not have any expectations and only execute A+ setups. If we can't do that, we don't want this bad enough. That's true. And that's something that I told myself just going into the day. And yeah, I'm going to try to stick to that. I literally chart my moves every single day whenever I'm taking trades. There's days where I don't chart, but I'm trying to stay as much consistent as I can. So we're going to lock in with that. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy your day. Take care of yourself. Stay blessed, stay safe, and love always.